everyone, it's Xyza and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be doing my Xyza results and a review on Powerlash products. So I did a video of this, my unboxing video. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung laman, ingredients, what the brand is. And so today, I will be sharing with you the results that I got after using this for 4 weeks. So let's get right to it. Okay, so like I told you in the last Xyza video, I super stan this brand because of what they stand for. So that's woman empowerment. So because of that, their brand really stands out. And they're just a beginning brand and they already made a great impression to everyone. So anyway, to the review, I'm gonna make it direct. Walang paligoy-ligo eh. So, okay, I'm gonna tell you about my eyebrows. I keep saying eyebrows. My eyelashes. So yung eyelashes ko, they're long na. They're long, but they're thin. Like, they're not full. So, I wanted to see how this would work on me. Ako kasi, I don't put falsies. I wanna try. Like, I remember buying the eyelash glue, but I can't do it. I'm scared, like, putting glue on your eyelashes and then sticking something to it, and then later on you have to, like, I just don't like the idea of it. It just, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but personally, hindi ko siya kayang gawin. So I usually opt for a mascara. So the one that I use is Maybelline Eyelash Falsies Extension. I don't know. Basta yung kulay purple and silver. Super loving that. So yun lang yung ginagamit ko sa eyelashes ko. And then I would curl it. I would curl my eyelashes and then use the mascara. So with this one, I was excited to see what results I would get kasi like what I said, my lashes are already long. So I would like see if it would actually make my eyelashes fuller or thicker. So this is my 4th week. Ito yung picture nung ano ko before I began. Yan. And so ito yung ngayon. Yan siya ngayon. See my pimples. Wait. As you can see, what I noticed, the first thing that I noticed was yung eyelashes ko. Kasi my eyelashes were like kind of straight. Like it wouldn't curl up on its own. So what I first noticed about this product is like, ayan na siya oh. Kita mo siya sa skin ko dito. So meaning naka-curl na siya naturally. So that surprised me kasi nga my eyelashes are straight. So when I noticed na yung upper lashes ko, nakaganon na siya. I was like, nice one. So, yun yung una kong napansin. And then, like, I feel like the strands got thicker. Kasi before, ramdam ko talaga yung thinness ng eyelash hair ko. As in, ramdam na ramdam ko. Ngayon, I could feel it like, you know, mas ano na siya, mas fuller tignan. Ayan o. I was so surprised. Excuse my like dark eyes. I've been so puyat, but you know, ayan o. Kita niyo ba? Ayan o, naging full siya. Kasi nakita niyo sa picture, parang halata pang manipis. Ngayon ang full na o. Like even I couldn't get over it. Ayan o. Diba? Tapos naturally niya siyang nakaganon. Ayan o. See that? I didn't curl this today. I didn't curl this for this video. Kasi I wanted you guys to see what it naturally looks like. So, yan na yun. Ayun na siya. Nakakatuwa, di ba? So, yun. Yun yung results na nakita ko. That's basically it. About the application process, it's actually pretty easy. Like, you don't have to put it on your entire eyelash hair. You'll just put it on the base. So, it's gotten easier and honestly I appreciate it more. And here's the thing, everyone's aware that we use castor oil whenever you want to grow our hair, our eyelashes, our eyebrow hair. I used to do that too, but like it would feel so heavy. Like even when you're asleep, you could feel the heaviness of the oil. So with this one, it doesn't feel like there's anything there. Like upon application, you're gonna feel like it's wet because it's like watery. You know, it's not oil-based. They're very lightweight. Like when you apply it, it's not heavy, it's not irritating, and you could see results right away. And nakita ko agad yung pagka-change nung eyelashes ko kasi sobrang obvious talaga dati na manipis. Even though it's long, manipis yung hair. So, like what I showed you guys, oh my god, look. It's fuller. It's darker. Guys, ew, my eyeballs. See? Tapos mas curled na siya, ayun o. So, you can see right now, super effective siya. As in, it literally works. At first, I thought it wouldn't work because like, you put it on the base, and then it's like water. I don't see castor oil in it, and we all know that it's castor oil that really works when growing your hair or something. So I was like, is this gonna work? So yun yung na-surprise ako kasi nag-work talaga siya. It legitimately works. Very effective if you wanna grow your lashes to a fuller, longer, and curled eyelash hair kasi that's what I got. So I'm so happy with this. I definitely recommend this brand. And they are out now. So if you want to buy this, you could use my code SALVEMI50 when you purchase this at checkout to avail the 50 pesos off. So super worth it siya, guys, especially if you have like straight, super thin, short eyelashes. This is really gonna work because this is proof. It worked on me. Worked on my eyelashes. Like, I super love it. So, as you can see, ang cute, right? Minatch ko talaga yung top ko sa product. Pink, 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 pink. So, yeah. That is it for my review, my results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe. And share this with your friends who wants to grow their eyelashes. And make sure to follow me on my Instagram @itssalvee and Facebook @itssalvee. And give Xyza Philippines a follow on their Instagram, Xyza Philippines. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!